Good evening, viewers. Welcome to the news. Here are the headlines of the day. Prime Minister Modi ends two-day-long meditation at the Vivekananda Rock Memorial in Kanyakumari. People of Shillong city will see a new police bazaar in 1 year's time, says Meghalaya Dhar. Under Shillong Smart City project, government almost completed 3 projects, says Minister in charge of Urban Affairs Meghalaya Dhar. National Testing Agency should have set up examination centres in all the district headquarters for CUET. And Meghalaya State Olympic Association, along with officials from State Sports Council, visited West Jaintia Hills district for the upcoming 6th Meghalaya Games. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ends two-day-long meditation at the Vivekananda Rock Memorial in Tamil Nadu's Kanyakumari today. The Prime Minister was in Kanyakumari on a spiritual visit where he had been meditating at the Dhyan Mandapam, the place where revered Hindu philosopher Swami Vivekananda is believed to have had a divine vision about Bharat Mata. Deputy Chief Minister in charge, Urban Affairs Meghalaya Dhar, has assured that the people of Shillong will see a new police bazaar in 1 year's time. The minister made the announcement as the construction of the Shillong Business cum Tourism Centre at MTC building is scheduled to be completed in 1 year's time. According to Dhar, the project is being implemented under Shillong Smart City at a cost of Rs 216 crores. When asked about the features of the project, the minister said that the government has not decided on what will be set up in this multiplex and the outlets will be decided after the completion of the building.
260 crore, 16 crore. You see, now we are planning, we didn't fix what you can have more, you can have convention center, you can have hotel. That we will see. After completion, the business government what to decide anyway.
Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Urban Affairs Government of Meghalaya, Meghalaya Dhar, said under the Shillong Smart City project, the state government has almost completed 3 projects. Those are construction of a commercial complex at Polo, redevelopment of Limokra Municipal Market, implementation of integrated command and control center and smart elements. When asked about the construction of 6-kilometer smart roads phase 1 in Shillong under Smart City mission, the minister said the problem is with the land which hinders the completion of the project.
Factory is underway now. Mokhar and Milan and Delhi, and recently 2 parties yet to construct. So even we have seen Milan this last week, so CM has visited some places over and we are planning. So within 1 year and a half, I think 1,000 plus minus new parties come up. Some of them is implementation, some is yet to implement, some is under progress, but very smooth progress on Smart City.
Yes, sir.
You can come with me along and then I will inspect all the Smart City project I'll tell you.
Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Urban Affairs, Meghalaya Dhar, has claimed that though the state government plans to relocate the hawkers from Kendai Lad, the question is whether the place is ready or not. He said the state government has identified 2 to 3 locations and the final decision is yet to be taken. He said these hawkers and vendors will be accommodated in good places.
Permanently. my officer is on the job or whatever the new location for them. So when funds is there, you'll be able to know only. No, that we'll see. We'll work together. We'll work nicely. We'll put them in a good place only, not throwing them outside, sitting only. Don't worry for that. We'll discuss accordingly with them. We'll take their views also, no problem.
Dr. Eureka F.P. Lingdo, president of Meghalaya College Principals Council, who is also the principal of Sankardev College, in an interview with the media said that if the state had prepared itself for the common university entrance test ahead of its implementation 2 years ago, Meghalaya would not have faced a situation as it did recently. She also stated that the principals of colleges had spoken to the National Testing Agency that it should provide infrastructures well in regards to the CUET. It could be digital infrastructure or any other needs. The principal of Sankardev College said that the National Testing Agency should have set up examination centers in all the district headquarters so that the students can appear for the test in their own districts.
Bat kecil thok ya ke exam. Kalau aban long ke digital infrastructure, kalau aban day ke nong ke infrastructure, tian ray kini kita bandon hamam lah ki district headquarter. Te kenang bagi kena jongi ki la aban yo aban let bet hala ki jong ki district. Kineman
At Kalaipara in southwest Garo Hills, a devastating fire ravaged a tea shop owned by Mahiraj C.H. Sangma. The blaze, which broke out today morning, swiftly engulfed the establishment, reducing it to ashes within minutes. Local authorities promptly dispatched fire brigades to the scene in a bid to contain the fire. However, their efforts were hampered by the intensity of the fire, resulting in significant damage to the property. Fortunately, there were no reported injuries or casualties. As part of the World Environment Day 2024, the Darbar Shillong Umjarasi Riboy district organized a tree plantation drive at the forest of the village. This initiative is in collaboration with the Office Forest Department Nongpo. This is the first time that the Darbar Shillong has taken this initiative to plant around 200 samples in this area. Speaking to the media, Morris Lingdo, Hetman Umjarasi, has said that this initiative will help in protecting and preserving nature.
Forest Department kabala ai ka kti kamon ka kti kadang banyatri lang rangkat bangi ka Darbar Shillong let's say kum ka Shillong ji ka Shillong Umjarasi kade ka sen ka bankong yo bantung yak ni kitan riding apo kane ka klau bangi penek pensa khamtam kane ka klau apo ka Shillong jengi ni penangkam ya ka umpam umdi laki phau teli kisnam.
With an aim to eradicate drugs in the society in Maukerwad area and southwest Khasi Hills district, all pressure groups in the district, including the KSU, HYC, FKJGP, HITO and HANM, in collaboration with the village authority, the village defense parties Seng Samla Shillong and Seng Longme, today declared the formation of the Joint Action Committee on Social Organization. Earlier, before declaring the formation of the JACSO, the village authorities of Maukerwad, along with pressure groups, conducted a surprise operation against illegal drug smugglers and illegal alcohol sellers. Later, chairman of the JACSO, J.F. Yauknyao, secretary JACSO Plusbor Karjarin, briefed the media about the objectives of the organization.
Gidang kam lejeng pelang jong kisang balang beberapa bagi kipai bara la fome kijak so hakanurem dakajin sokya dakajin kitkle bat na sumbata ini kendat maka thong jong kijak so kalong ba nginale persya kijing snew kamtam rock kakiat kakalai.
in preparation for the upcoming 6th Meghalaya Games in 2025. A team from the Meghalaya State Olympic Association in Shillong, led by Working President John F. Karshieng and General Secretary F. L. Pariat, along with officials from the State Sports Council, Meghalaya Project Engineer P. Pale and Sports Department Consultant, visited the West Jaintia Hills district yesterday. The purpose of the visit was to conduct preliminary discussions with the State Sports Officer K. Pasa and representatives from the West Jaintia District Sports Association. The team inspected several proposed venues to assess the facilities and infrastructures.
Suanya feel mo palong umno ka cukup correction ni ladap mo kumagpituk ka West Jaintia Hills ka bula shim le jumpa ni hatura ni hanubo yang lama but I ban ki West Jaintia Hills district ki host ya ka Meghalaya Games ko ban Rio how number 1 how January.
The Darbar Shillong of Lightcore Maori Lomhe conducted an inspection on Saturday to check any alleged Benami practices and trading by non-tribals. Speaking to reporters, Hetman of the village Pinchai Maori said that the inspection was a continuation of the general meeting of the village held in December last year, where a decision was taken to not allow non-tribals to operate any business without a trading license, for which they had given a deadline of 6 months.
Nang balak ban rapin kong ni ka cingtri kam dinami nang bangin la ban ya dapat ya ki para si kasih juni sini makin la ban seng kam seng jam la ban tre ban kita nang ban na kita tengi simi kata kara gitu ko kasih tari ulo pra ja apply ka balaya rai pa ba hi ba minum sya syu ya borok ki ba jela ban tre ban kita dan ban seng kam seng jang to pro san ni ba dia katanya lah aku ru banai
The director of horticulture, D.C. Sawton, said that tea cultivation in Meghalaya will have numerous benefits to the community, society, environment and economy, including employment opportunities, and promote tea tourism. She spoke at the brainstorming session focused on enhancing market access and quality production for small tea growers in Meghalaya, held yesterday at the Integrated Agricultural Training Centre in Upper Shillong. And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 26 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 17.6 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 71%, while it was 76% in the evening. And the forecast says moderate rain and thunder showers likely to occur at most places. And before we wind up, here's a quick look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Modi ends 2-day-long meditation at the Vivekananda Rock Memorial in Kanyakumari. People of Shillong City will see a new police bazaar in 1 year's time, says Nyawalang Dhar. Under Shillong Smart City project, government almost completed 3 projects, says Minister in charge of Urban Affairs Nyawalang Dhar. National Testing Agency should have set up examination centres in all the district headquarters for CUET. And Meghalaya State Olympic Association, along with officials from State Sports Council, visited West Jaintia Hills district for the upcoming 6th Meghalaya Games. And with that, viewers, we've come to the end of today's edition of the News Bulletin. Do join us back tomorrow at the same time. Good night.